everyone. Thank you for joining me. My name is Royal. We just finished an amazing January in the market. I've got my performance up in the simulator here. And as you can see, just recapping December, I ended up $14,700. And then January, even a little better than that, I ended up $27,000 on the month. Now, again, I am trading in a simulator. I've been really focused on executing the strategy correctly, following my four key principles, which are number one, assume that I'm wrong until proven otherwise. Number two, expect to be uncomfortable. Number three, add when I'm right. And number four, never add when I'm wrong. And I was able to turn up the momentum a little bit in the month of January, largely because the market overall was much stronger for small caps. December was a little bit slow. I did have a few good days on Monday the 1st, for example, Monday the 15th, Wednesday the 24th. Those were a few of my bigger days. And then in January, ended up having multiple days above 2,000. So 6,800 here on the 14th, Monday the 5th, 2,000, 2,200 on the 29th, 3,000 the last day, 4,300 on the last trading day of the month, which was the 30th. And we just really caught some great momentum in January. So really happy with this consistency. I continue to have these green weeks that I'm focused on. I had one rough red day, which was Tuesday the 6th here, but I was able to balance that out, recover through the rest of the week, and still end up green. So we've now started February, and I am live trading effective Monday the 2nd. So you're not going to see these results here. I will be exporting my trades to a different platform for when I go over my live trading results. But I have officially started back trading live, smaller positions, just really focused on carrying forward this same execution from December and January into the month of February. So that's a snapshot there of my profits paper trading. Let's go ahead and I'm going to open up my Profit Trifecta. And this is another measurement that comes out of the simulator. Again, if you're struggling with consistency, profitability, you should be using a simulator. This has really helped me a lot. But here's my Profit Trifecta score for last week. So I've been able to maintain the consistency of these green weeks. My win percentage was a little bit lower, so around 60%, between 56 and 60%. I am trying to continue to build that up. I'd really like to be in the 66 to 70%, maybe even if I can accomplish the 71% or higher. I've had as high as 80% 5 weeks ago. You can see that up here. And then 6 weeks ago, I was at 75% win rate. So it's definitely possible if you're getting really good continuation on the moves and if I'm focusing on taking the best setups. So that was my win percentage. Then my profit to loss ratio for last week, about 1-to-1. And because I had more winners, my win percentage winners than losers, I was able to end up nicely green for last week as well. It was $9,000. So ended up nicely there on the week overall. That score was an 11 for last week, which puts me almost in the middle of this experienced trader category. I am working really hard to push myself to get into this professional trader category. And that means I need to be really focused on the best A-plus quality setups and continuing to trim my losers quickly. But a lot of it comes down to taking fewer trades. And I'll be posting my recap today from February 2nd. And I'll show you some trades that I stayed out of that have really been a focal point for me as I want to increase this win percentage. So hope you enjoyed this recap. Again, had an amazing January, an amazing December. Looking forward to carrying that momentum on into February. Please feel free to leave a comment. Let's chat and discuss if you're struggling. Be happy to share any insights and at least share with you what I've been able to do that's helped me from a consistency standpoint. Hope you enjoyed this video. Best of luck trading as we enter the month of February.